So, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm gonna show you guys a project what I'm making. Um, yeah, so this is the project what I was working on, and it's kind of like a edtech platform, but it's not like a edtech. It's something like you can say a helper for students who are more into free resources for learning. And let us just run this so that I can show you guys what I'm making. Okay. Yeah. So I still didn't um I still don't design the homepage till now. I have a plan to make some animations here, like not 3D animations obviously, but some GSAP animations 2D one. And yeah. So what a user can do is if like there are so many resources in YouTube, right? And for every user who is who is wanting like he want to study from YouTube, right? But let's say he what usually is what usually a person do like he search for something and let's say for Java for Python whatever he want to learn and he starts scrolling each and every videos where he wants to learn. But the problem is there is so many useless videos also, right? So what I did I have made a section called free courses. So in this section, user will get all the free, not all, but yeah, like almost all, like all virals and famous content creator or YouTube channels from all those channels. He'll get all the resources for that particular subject or course. For example, if I click on free courses, this is the interface, and what will gonna happen is you guys can see it has smooth scrolling something. Yeah, because I used I think locomotive. Yeah, the thing is it has so many courses, and for example, I'll add more. Okay, and for example, user wanna learn Java. So as you guys can see, it's it's keep recommending Java. Why is JavaScript is still showing? Because JavaScript is also something like if I search like this, you guys can see JavaScript. But if I only search for Java, then I think Java tutorials also gonna come. So yeah, if I search for React, for example, so yeah, React.js. If I search for DSA, then DSA playlist. If I search for AI, then AIs. All AI playlist and all here are here. So for example, I choose web dev. You can usually you can choose like this, okay? Web dev, for example, web dev. So all web dev full stack, like all full stack courses are here. If I choose JavaScript, for example, then all JavaScript lectures are here. For React, we have lectures. For Java, we have lectures. I don't know why these pictures are not working for this companies. I don't know. For Spring, for Python, for Django, for DSA, all famous playlists, right? For AI. Okay, this is one section. I think it's pretty helpful for people who are confused in YouTube. Okay, next section. So what I have seen ki after learning a topic, or yeah, so after learning a topic, what usually a person wanna do? He wanna make some projects, right? But he don't know. He doesn't know that what type of projects he should make. So usually what a person do? He at first learn he at first make a easy project, then moves to medium, then moves to hard, increasing his or her level, right? So here is a project suggestion section. What a user can do is here is 33 ideas, and what one can do is for example, he learned React.js, for example, React. So I'll gonna type React and I'll press enter. So you guys can see React has been selected, and it will always gonna show all React projects. Like you guys can see, it's a proper. There are 7 ideas on React, 10 ideas on medium, uh, and 9 ideas hard for React.js project. So as you guys can see, this one simple React, and this is the title. What the project is all about. React to app, and sorry, this is the description. This is the title, obviously. Yeah. Um, this is a medium tag. You guys can see the tag also. Like it's completely on based on React. This one a full stack to do app. So you will gonna use Node and Express also. So yeah, this one is React, and medium is React plus Django if someone wants. And here you can find all React projects. For example, our user learned React and he also learned Node.js, for example. So I'll gonna just type Node and I'll enter. So it will gonna show all projects which includes React and Node. No, React or Node. Like it's union, not intersection. Okay. So yeah. So you guys can see it's showing this. For example, let me type DSA. I don't think DSA have any project with React, but yeah, you guys can see DSA with JS. DSA with JS. Yeah. So this is all it's about. See, you guys can see DSA, JS, more like this. For example, I learned DSA, for example. There is only okay, 2 ideas, 3 ideas, and 5 ideas. So these all contain DSA as project. Okay. For example, I learned for example I learned Java. Sorry, this is this, my spelling is wrong. Java. So there are 6 ideas on Java, Java Spring Boot, Java, Kojo, whatever it is. For example, I learned AI. There's nothing with AI. Okay. I think it's Gen AI. There are only hard project ideas on AI. Obviously, AI is very hard, right? And yeah, there are several projects on Python and Gen AI. Obviously, Gen AI with Python. That's much famous. There's a section called Ask AI Out, which is still, I'm still making it, but still, I have given a link by which you guys will uh, go to this website, which I have made already in past, and I have already made a video how it works and all. It's a very good app, good website, and very good AI chatbot. You guys can use it for DSF related problems. I'm gonna put the link of this video in description, where I have already described that how it works and all. But yeah, this is pretty good. But I'll gonna make it. I'll gonna make a separate AI chatbot section over here. Okay, but it will gonna take some time. Okay. Actually, I wanted to take that code from this website and paste it over here, and then s- do some changes and all modifications. But the problem is everything over here is like you guys can see it's written in React. Okay, but that AI chatbot thing, this one, like this one, the chatbot for DSA. This one I have done all the code in what should I say, in JavaScript, like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So yeah, that's a big problem. You guys can suggest how, if you guys know like how to convert the code of HTML, CSS, JavaScript into React code. Please comment down. I need that help. And there is another section called best blog search. So it will call an API and it will give you all latest blogs, and you can just watch this title, this is the description. And if you wants to read more, okay, I didn't, okay, I should explain something more. Okay, let us first see this interface. Okay, so there will be all kinds of coding related blogs usually, or I think IT industry related, corporate related blogs are here. Okay, on free courses, let us come back to free courses. And what you can do is you can, first of all, you can see the channel name and the course name and the tag, obviously. So if you click on this watch now button, it will redirect you to YouTube on that playlist. Okay, if it's a playlist, then it's a playlist. Then it will open a playlist. Okay, so you guys can see. And also, if it's a video, for example, let's go to React. I think this one a video. So if I click it, it'll automatically gonna start the video. Okay, so yeah, it's all about. This is always about. And for this section, like project suggestion, if I click on check now. what will happen is ki it will open a GitHub page where each and everything related to this project will gonna be here, right? Like I think some suggestions, um yeah, some suggestions, some how can you make it, and this type of stuff. Okay, portfolio outside, some description and all. For example, I'm going for interview quiz app. Okay, I click on quiz this, check now, and it opens this page. You guys can find it's a GitHub profile where GitHub repository where you guys can see the project called quiz app. There are so many quiz app you guys can see. So you guys can, if you guys stuck how to make this project, you guys can come here and take some suggestions from here or whatever you always want. For base blocks also, if you click on read mode, it will redirect you to that blog section. Okay, so you guys can read it from here also and like, dislike, whatever you guys want. Okay, there is another section called account. If I click on account, this page opens and none of these are clickable. I am sorry, the setting section is not clickable. This is also something like hard coded premium student active interests also hard coded, and yeah, this is all about this is all what it this is all what's it about. Okay, my English is not good, sorry for that, but I'm improving myself. Okay, that's pretty good, I think. Okay, if I click on view all, this courses section will gonna open. If I click on browse web, this section will gonna open. Okay, and in saved course, you guys can see there is no saved course, there is no saved projects. But let us see something. If I click on, if I, let's say you wanna continue with this among okay, among these web dev courses, you wanna continue with this, so you can just select it. And for example, among these Python courses, you wanna go with this, so you save this one. So if you come back to courses, save courses, you guys can see this value, this courses has been added over here. Okay, and this 70% and 76%, it's random. Okay, I use math.random to generate these values. So both are continue, and that's the thing. And let's say I want to add also some Django and AI. Let us see. Okay, you can't just add more than, you can't save more than three courses. This is pretty awesome, right? Because obviously if you're marking all the courses, then it, and you are not completing all of them, then there's no point. So save one course and watch it, finished it, then remove it from here. You can also remove it. If you remove, it will gonna be gone from here, and also it will gonna be removed from here. That's correct English, right? Okay, what am I doing? Okay, whatever. You can also select projects, but not more than three. The same alert will gonna appear, and this is the thing. If you click on view brief, the same link will gonna open in GitHub. So yeah, and also if you guys noticed, for example, I select this two, and from project I select this. So you guys can see this. The count of this is also increasing. That you have saved two courses and you have one saved project. So yeah, this is my project till now. I wanna make it, fully in React, and I don't wanna include the backend for till now at least. And but what I want key, I wanna add some more, what should I say, more sections, but I don't know what to add. I was thinking adding a code editor over here, but I don't know how to make a code editor. Please suggest if you know that how should I start making a code editor. Like here's a code editor option, and here is the um, all the code editor UI where I can run a code. But I don't know which API to call, how to make all of this. So please suggest. And also if you guys have any other ideas to add here, please suggest again. That will be very great for me. And yeah, this is all about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, see you guys in the next video, I think. Yeah. Till then, bye bye, goodbye, see ya. And yeah, I think, mm, I think exams are going on, right? Like in my college, Um, the exams are starting from like 13th of March. So wish me luck. Bye bye.